Rasta. Mark Rasta, some dread and Mark Rasta. Yes, man. Come again. We feeling irie. This is Jonathan Wolfman in at the party. Well, no touch it down. Now this is iniquity worker congregation. Iniquity worker congregation. And this session did a keep a iniquity mansion. And they saw all the iniquity worker a job. When a man and the woman in a contention. And they saw then go find them solution. That's why you have the greatest who be a man. They use Professor George as the guest speaker. And Professor George know great who be a. From 80 they send for Sosumba. From Donga Gube they send for mother. From Donga St. Thomas they send for father. And send for the monkey and his master. And Almighty Deliverance as the foreigner. Well, Poco this and a canal so kumina. And science a wine underneath to beer. Them a fling down aisle. And so powder aisle a beer. Aisle a compeller. Powder a compeller. Aisle a must hold me powder. Can't left me. Yes, man. Well, we know so them can't test you a Ragamuffin a plane and I want 3001 fashion. Well, wait to a shan.